Timba tutelama. Mugusabu katima mele kuntuala. Kutima ban bakur de grand. Mutakwenda betulani kunani mutakwenda tatu sose. Kumatima lukala mimi ngwale level kubosi. Lukumba kutata sose mukusa ker mukiswa kutuku. Tunlanda. Yakuba kukele sose kukasi tulande. Yakuba kukele sose kukasi tulande. Mama kuma kukele sose kukasi tulande. Yakuba kukele sose kukasi tulande. Mama kuma kukele sose kukasi tulande. Yakuba kukele sose kukasi tulande. Ni mwizi ya sose leki. President kukanse kubimbuma ya sose leki. President melolo kunantelo ya sose leki. President tenzi kunundemo kunangeba ya sose leki. Mama kuma kukele sose kukasi tulande. Yakuba kukele sose kukasi tulande. Kumadiba kuma kukele sose kukasi tulande. Yakuba kukele sose kukasi tulande. Kumadiba ya sose leki. Sose kukasi leki. Yakuba kukele sose kukasi tulande. Mama kuma kukele. Mama kuma kukele. Mama tangu ifwege. Atata maperlos. Mama tangu ifwege. Unkao kimatimba madiba ya sose leki. Uluta kukikoka ya sose leki. Mama ndono kukisantu ya sose leki. Beno kunangeba ya sose leki. Beto kunandebo ya sose leki. Mama kuma kukele sose kukasi tulande. Yakuba kukele sose kukasi tulande. Mama kuma kukele sose kukasi tulande. Yakuba kukele sose kukasi tulande. Ndolo mama sose pakele. Yakuba kukele sose kukasi tulande. Mama ndile kibani kumini mapuli sose kukasi leke. Yakuba kukele sose kukasi tulande. Mama ndile ndami kumini mapuli sose kukasi leke. Yakuba kukele sose kukasi tulande. Atusepela ya sose leke. Atusepela ya sose leke. Atama perlos. Tunyama ya. Atama perlos kukasi ya. Yekatiyamba. Atoze kukasi betutiyamba. Atoze kukasi betutiyamba. Mama kuma kukele atoze kukasi tulande. Yakuba kukele atoze kukasi tulande. Kuri mwizi atoze leki ya atoze kukasi leki. Yakuba kukele atoze kukasi tulande. Kunemo ya atoze leki ya yamba tuyambe. Yakuba kukele atoze kukasi tulande. Ebuluta kubimbumba ya atoze leki ya yamba tuyambe. Yakuba kukele atoze kukasi tulande. Ebukende bifuga ya atoze leki ya yamba tuyambe. Yakuba kukele atoze kukasi tulande. Mama awatami fwe. Betu kubakongo tutelema. Sose kukasi mukwise kena mukusesanka. Betu kulitubunu mogo. Ulani ya sose kunima. Ending mama. Sose ya idala lweki. Amuna tala sose lweki. Betu yangala ya sose lweki. Dala betu kubakongo ya sose lweki. Yebu kwenda madiba ya sose lweki. Yebu luta kubimbeba ya sose lweki. Yebu kwenda kunemo ya sose lweki. Abetu kuna fuma ya sose lweki. Akuma kukele sose kukasi tulande. Yakuba kukele sose kukasi tulande. Kunantelo ya sose lweki sose kukasi tulande. Yakuba kukele sose kukasi tulande. Andalo kunangaba ya sose lweki ya sose kukasi lweki. Yakuba kukele sose kukasi tulande. Yekubisantu betu lweki ya sose kukasi lweki. Yakuba kukele sose kukasi tulande. Ayanza ule mungu muntinu. Ya sose kukasi mukwisi kena. Ayanzanere noka eternite. Ayanza ule mungu kwako. Ayanza ule mungu kwako. Andolo kukimbumba ya sose leke. Andolo kukimbumba ya sose leke. Betu kusana lemba ya sose leke. Andolo kukoweri ya sose leke. koweri ya zote lwengi. Mama kuba kukele zote kukasitulande.
Ekuba kukele zote kukasitulande.
Kuma kukele zote kukasitulande.
Ekuba kukele zote kukasitulande.
Watazizote mukwisa kena zote kukasi. Mama ndolo. Ndolo ma. Ndolo kunaga tata kutulu mama. Mama ndolo. Ndolo ma. Ndolo kunaga tata kutulu chawu. Ya zote lweki. Zote kumbo mukwisa kena. Ndolo. Ndolo. Ndolo ma. Ndolo. Ndolo ma. Ndolo. Ndolo kunaga tata kutulu changu. Ya zote lweki. Mama. Wendi ya zote mukwisa kena male male. Hey, mama. Ah, mama. Kala zote lweke. Zote kukasi we lweke. Yekukibumba ya zote lweke. Yekunangeba ya zote lweke. Abetu kunanselo ya zote lweke. Abetu kukibumba ya zote lweke. Yekunangebo ya zote lweke.
Hello, welcome. We're going to learn the language of Congo Kingdom, Kikongo. Kikongo is spoken in Angola, Gabon, the Democratic Republic of Congo, and the Republic of Congo. Thank you very much. Seja bem-vindo. Vamos aprender Kikongo, é a nossa língua nacional. Kikongo fala-se no Angola, Gabão, língua nacional da República Democrática do Congo e a República do Congo. Tutondele ngizambote silalonga ndinga tseto ndinga kakazeto Kikongo tunaipangeto tunaitata ale nengwa tadiwa. Okay, thank you very much. Let me just unmute all of you. We're going back to the basics for I think for Nengo Tadi was better. We go back to numbers again. Let me just share my screen. Where's my screen? Yeah, this one. Yes. Nengwa Tadiwa. Can you help us, please? Can you? Is there? Can you read?
Pavala, mosi, zole, tatu, ya, tanu, sambanu, sambwadia, nana, voa, and kumi.
Okay. Tata Allen, please.
Mpavala,
Mm-hmm.
Mosi, Zole, Tatu, Ya, Tanu, Sambanu,
Sambanu.
Sambanu, Sambwadia, Nana, Voa, Kumi.
Well done. Can I hide my screen? I want to test you.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, Pavala Moses Zole Tatu Ya Tanu Samban Sambwadia Nana Vakum. Let me just try to hide my screen. Yeah, Tata Allen, please.
Sure. Pavala, Mosi, Zole, Tatu, I'm sorry, Tatu, Ya, Tanu, Sambanu, Sambwadia, Nana, Voa, Kumi.
Wow, well done. Okay, 1 minute. I think I have some technical issue here. I'm sorry if you're watching. Sorry. These things do happen. I need to check something quickly. Sorry. Yes, we are back. I'm sorry if you're watching. This is live. It's always like this. It's not easy. Anyway, we're back. Tata, and then what you are? Your turn, please.
Okay. Mpavala, mosi, zole, tatu, tanu, sambanu, sambwadia, nana, voa, kumi.
Are you reading?
No, I'm not. I
Well,
memorized
done.
it this morning.
Well done. Okay. Okay, we move to the tens. Yes. Tata Allen, please.
Kumi, Makumole, Makumatatu, Makumaya, Makumatanu, Sambanu.
Well done. Makuma Samban. Well done. Yes. Basically, I mean, we could say prefix. We have Maku up to 60. Remember that, up to 60. Here you have your units. That's why it's very important to remember the units. Remember?
Yeah.
You have one there, Kumi. You have your Zole is hidden here. Mole is there. Zole, Tatu is there. See? Ya is there. Tam is there. Sambon is there. So if I want to say 22, Nengwa Tadiwa, I'm sure you're going to help us, please.
Yeah. Makumole yezole.
Oh, well done. Remember, Tata Allen, we have units then, units, tens then units, but we have year in between. Year, 20 and year. Year is a end. We could say that, okay. Okay, Tata Allen, please call me 260.
Oh, you want me to read it again?
Read, please.
Okay. Kumi, Makumole, Makumatatu, Makumaya, Makumatanu, Makumasambanu.
Makumasamba. Nengwa Tadiwa, please.
Kumi, Makumole, Makumatatu, Makumaya, Makumatanu, Makumasambanu.
Well done. How do I say 55, Tata Allen? Everything's there. Your answer is there.
Makumatanu ye tanu.
Well done. Well done. Wow, bravo. First time in class. Well done. Yeah. And 66, Nengwa Tadiwa.
Makumasambanu, Sambanu, ye Sambanu.
Well done. You only need to memorize your units. Can you see that, Tata Allen? Yeah.
Yeah.
As long as you know your units, that's fine. Should be okay. Okay. Remember, Maku goes up to 60. The prefix. When we go to, you see now, from 70, different prefix. You have a lu, Lu. Lusambwadia, Lunana, Louvois, then Kama 100. Sambwadia, some people say Sambwadi, same thing. You say potato, I say potato. Yeah.
Same meaning.
Tata Allen, 77.
Lusambwadia y Sambwadia.
Well done. Nengwa Tadiwa, 88.
Lunana yenana.
Tata Allen, 99, please.
Louvois ye voix.
Well done. Wow. Then Kama is 100. Well, okay, we can stop there. We're going back next time. We're going back. But as long as you know your units, it should be okay. Tutondele. Let us go to the main lesson. Where is it? Is there? To remove this. Okay, let me share it again. Where is it? Yes. Well done. You know your numbers. That's good. That's good. Yes. I think I did try to explain to you that earlier in the background when we're in waiting room here. Can you just read the first 3 lines, please?
Congo language course, Malongi, Makikongo.
Makikongo, yes.
By Professor Hazel Carter and Reverend Tron Makondekwa.
Well done. Well done. Yeah, well done. Thank you. So it was written. Okay, everything is there. You can see it from US. Yeah. Can you read this slide, please?
The course is designed to teach you to speak rather than to know about Kikongo. These are special teaching drills, not testing drills, as in some language laboratory.
Courses, yeah. Thank you. And this one, please.
In 2001, Professor Hazel Carter received the Distinguished Services Award from the African Language Teachers Association.
Yeah, thank you. Nengwa Tadiwa, your turn, please. Thank you, Tatalen.
Kikongo is a tonal language. Different tones distinguish different meanings.
Yeah, get this, Tatalen. This is very important. You will see soon. Someone's okay. We'll see this later. Okay, let us go to the main lesson. Lesson 4, section 2. Okay, Tata Allen, let me try to help here. Nzolelevo walongoka. Ve. Kizolele longo ako. Tata Allen, please.
Nzolelevo walongeko.
Walongoka.
Walongoka.
Ve.
Ve kizolele
Longo kako. Kizolele longo kako.
Okay, ve kizolele longo kako.
Kizolele longo kako. Thank you. Nengwa Tadiwa.
Nzolelevo walanda. I want you to follow. Ve. Kizolele landako. No, I don't want to follow.
Yeah, thank you. Tata, you can do it again. I mean, you can read. I just want to show something here, please.
Okay. Nzolelevo walanda. I want you to follow. Ve kizolele landako.
See here, we have this is a long vowel.
Yeah.
I mean, we don't write like this. You don't write double A, but just this is just phonetic.
Okay.
Phonetic, yeah, to help us to learn phonetic spelling. So, wala double A is long vowel. Walanda. Can you try to read this?
Walanda.
Well done, Walanda. Because we're on this lesson, past lesson, and we have Sala for work, and Sala to stay behind. So you write the same way, but the meaning comes from your pronunciation. See, you see? Can you see what I'm trying to say? See how critical is the way you pronounce your word. Very important. Then go Tadiwa, please.
Nzolelevo walwaka.
Walwaka.
Walwaka. I want you to get there. Ve. Kizolele lwakako.
Well done.
No, I don't want you to get there.
Thank you. Tata Allen.
Nzolelevo wakota.
Nzolelevo wakota.
Wakota. Nzolelevo wakota. I want you to come in. Ve kizolele kotako. Can I try that one more time? Okay.
Please do it.
Ve kizolele kotako.
Faster. Kizolele.
Kizolele kotako.
Thank you. Kizolele kotako. Nengwa Tadiwa, nzolelevo wa finama. Nengwa Tadiwa, please.
Nzolelevo wa finama. I want you to get near. Ve. Kizolele finamako. No, I don't want I don't want to get near.
Thank you, sir. Tata Allen. Be careful, you have long vowel here.
Okay. Nzolelevo wavunda.
Well done.
Ve kizolele vundako.
Zele vundako. Thank you. Nengwa Tadiwa.
Nzolelevo wayambula.
Wayambula.
I want you to stop. Ve. Kizolele yambulako. No, I don't want to stop.
Tata Allen, please.
Nzolelevo Wayindula.
Well done.
I want you to think. Ve Kizolele Yindulako.
Well done. Yeah. Well done. Well done. Nzolelevo Wayindula. This is imperative. Imperative. Order. Give you an order. Imperative. Do it.
Okay. Nzolelevo Wayindula. I want you to think. Ve Kizolele Wayindulako.
Kizole Yindulako.
Yindulako. Okay. Yindulako.
Thank you. Nengwa Tadiwa. Tata Allen. Tata. Okay.
Okay.
Tata.
I can go ahead. Nzolelevo Waseva.
Well done.
I want you to laugh. Ve Kizolele Sevako.
So Sevako. Are you okay, Nengwa Tadiwa?
Yes. Well, was this my brother?
Can you read? Can you read, please?
Nzolelevo was seva. I want you to laugh. Ve Kizolele sevako.
So Sevako.
No, I don't want to laugh.
Tata Allen, please.
Zolelevo Wiza. Ve Kizolele Kwizako.
So Kwizako. Nengwa Tadiwa.
Nzolelevo wenda. I want you to go. Ve Kizolele kwendako.
We're done for today. Well done. Yes, thank you very much. See you next Sunday. Hello, someone say hello to us. Okay, hello. Very deep. Okay. We'll see you Sunday then.
Okay.
Luenda Gambote, I think we need to Tata Ale. Then what I do, help him. I'm saying when the Gambote, I'm saying what?
So Sala Kiambote.
Well done. Okay, good enough. Well done.
You already know.
Okay, Luenda Gambote. Okay, okay, see you next time.
All right.
Bye.
All right.